I work in finance. For me, cost is important, but at the same time I don't want to compromise on quality. So I did my own sort of research, due diligence in terms of what companies I'd like to use, and the Home Improvement Group certainly topped that list. So they've built a garden room for us and they've extended the back end of our house out. They pretty much took care of the whole extension, from groundwork through to doors, windows, decorating, kitchen installation. We both wanted a different look to the house and we wanted that extra space. It was good that they were able to sort of hit the mark in terms of what we wanted and deliver. It will make our lives easier and hopefully improve our standard of life in the house. So yeah, I'm over the moon. From start to finish, they had a project manager in place. It was very well planned. I think the team that they've got and the services and tradesmen that they use are of top quality. I'm happy with, very happy with the final outcome and the work that's been done, and I'd highly recommend the Home Improvement Group.